It's raining hard and I'm taking my dash out of my car. And when I did that, oh, Harry's a fucking G. Thank you, Harry. Nope. No parking. Thank you, Harry. Yeah, the windows won't go down because I'm taking my dash apart. There's a connection in there that's not connected.
You could just open this door and pull it in.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to Po Boys. They're doing some work on the Mihatala. Look at this. This car is sitting right now in the back. So it's actually kind of low. It actually looks good in the back. But look at the monster truck status up front. I got the Cali lean going on and I really don't like it. So we're gonna put coilovers.
Just gonna send it, bruh.
Yeah, so Max Speeding Rods sent coilovers and camber caster plates for the front of my car. We're gonna put them mugs on and we're gonna go to the track after that. So let's put these hose on. All right. I don't know, but we're going. I don't know what that was, dog. I'm very like curious.
Yeah, I don't know what that was either.
I have no clue. There was a big ass bump.
Still got wheels.
Still do have wheels.
Oh.
My toolbox is back there.
I wonder if that was
That might have been the
in the
toolbox. 17.4.
It's better than 20.
That is better than 20. Just from a rear end, 17.4. Gavin told me not to dump it, so therefore I dumped it. I was like, whoa!
Dude, look, this is what you need to do. Hold it to like 4,500. As slow as I'm doing with my hand. I'm telling you, that bitch would eat, son.
I'll try it.
If you can't get it, let me ride with you and I'll show you how to do it.
All right. Hey, I'm still down to do drag race roulette. This car not easy to drive.
Okay.
Let me launch it a few more times because I have different gearing, so it doesn't launch the same.
With that gearing, launch around 4,500.
All right, I'm taking Mello for another ride. Oh shit, that was great!
That was a hell of a lot better.
I 60-footed better than that man right there. Let's go, baby! Woo, baby! I'm still going!
Shit ton better too. 1631.
Okay, Harry was right. Oh my gosh, that's insane, Caleb. That took so much time off. Holy crap. And my rear end didn't go boom. 60 foot, 2.4. Eighth was 10.7. My dirt bike's still faster. It's sad when your dirt bike's faster than your race car. I launched it great that time. I felt it, like the car actually went forward and it didn't bog. Like definitely slipping the clutch works. Okay. So I'm waiting for Jess to stop talking to Gavin. All right, so I have a proposal. Playing a game, Russian roulette with my car. We're all gonna run it. Whoever gets the fastest time is good. The person who gets the slowest time has to buy everyone Eskimos. Just one ice cream at Eskimos. Also, if you break it, you buy it.
Buy what? The car?
Up to $500.
That's what the car's worth.
How about I just buy the car for 500? Okay,
So if you break a belt on the
break
car,
whatever
you fix the belt.
and that's it. So $500
If
cap.
you blow the motor and the pistons go out of it, that's $500 cap. You don't have to pay anything more.
Deal, I'm on.
You're on?
Jess is going too.
You know
Jess is going too?
I want to try.
We need to have a wager though. That way the winner actually gets something. $20 a person to enter. Winner takes all.
So the loser is gonna have to put in money and buy Eskimos.
Do we get one pass? One run only.
One run only.
$10 a person.
$10 a person.
That's cheap.
That's a deal.
That's fair.
Who's all in?
It's worth like $60 just to be seen driving this thing.
It's the weirdest fucking thing you'll ever do because you're gonna drive like this and the shifter's way over here.
I've driven a 6-cylinder Mustang before, just not this one. This one's like on a whole new level of.
We're doing this. Drag race roulette.
Who's going first?
I want to go first because if I halfway break something and the person after me breaks it, they got to pay for it.
So the drag race roulette is set up. Loser buys all of us ice cream. Winner gets $60. Whoever breaks the car pays for the car up to $500.
We're gonna make a pass in this thing, run a 9 real fast, and then I'm gonna come back for Poe's car, and we're gonna run a 13 in Poe's car.
A 13.
9.8 my car, and a 13.9 his car.
All right. All right. Do you think that since Gavin's in the competition, he's going to choke and mess up?
That's why I'm probably going to be Gavin. I'm going to come back with a 13-second pass, and Gavin's going to be like, crap. All right, so this is for some marbles. Just for 60 bucks if I get the fastest time, and for the slowest time, got to buy the guys ice cream. So we're going to see what we can do. All right, I'm about to try and run the fastest pass I ever done ran. I dry off my hand because it's sweaty.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, golly, that's kind of scary. I don't know what my time is. Oh, I really hope that's not the worst. Ooh, that launch was so bad. I'm kind of scared now. I just ran a 16.2. The last run I ran was a 16.7, which was a personal best. When I ran in the 8th, 10.3. Reaction time was 1 second flat, but my 60 foot was 2.3. So that was pretty freaking solid. Oh my gosh. Wasn't a bad run, but I mean, at the same time, the launch could have been better because I spun a little bit, but I did what it needed to do.
10.3 in the 8th? You dropped half a second from your fastest pass in the 8th.
Whoever's up next.
All right, Jake. This is Jake's first time down the drag strip.
I have filmed a lot of passes.
I'm glad I could provide the car. I'm like stuttering right now. I'm so freaking nervous.
If we all-
All right, everyone keep your ticket in your pocket or in your wallet or somewhere. It was spinning.
It was weird because it like hopped and then it came down and then hopped again. Got this. Woo!
All right, here we go. First time down the track. Hose shifter is whack. I just gotta remember not to shift into 6th because that's reverse. Only thing I'm nervous about is this clutch. I'm a bigger human. This thing feels a little different. The main thing I gotta focus on is not trying to quick shift it in a second because I've already done that in this car and it doesn't do it. The main thing I gotta do is just shift slow. First pass. Never been down the track except for in post Tacoma. So this will be interesting.
Hey! That's a launch!
It's gonna be slow. It's gonna be so slow. All right, that's the first one. I feel like the 60 foot wasn't that bad actually. That launch felt pretty good. My concern was shifting. 17, all right, not too bad.
17.8.
Now the shifts were terrible.
Jake ran a 2.3 60 foot. You just ran a 2.3 60 foot? That's the same 60 foot I ran.
It ain't bad, 17.8. It's 78 miles an hour.
All right, Ace is up.
This is gonna be terrible. This rear end is already making a weird popping noise. I just heard it poke.
He missed second! He missed second! Let's go!
That did not like that at all. That was horrible.
He had the fastest 60 foot by far. 17.9!
Oh, well now I get it. Go figure. Absolute worst attempt in second gear of my life.
I told you. Your 60 foot was beautiful.
I had a 227 60 foot.
227. He had the best 60 foot.
Best 60 foot by far.
Are you ready? Let's go.
All right, it's Jess's turn. Gavin's riding with her because she's never been down the strip before, so he's gonna teach her a few things.
Watch, she's gonna get the fastest time.
She's gonna beat me.
And then Gavin's gonna be like, hey, drive my car.
Yeah. Hey, if y'all are hungry, there's cookies behind the seat.
Yeah!
Yeah! Jess is shit. You got this, Jess.
Okay, just like what I told you, first gear. Whenever the light turns green, don't even worry about it. Don't worry about the person next to you. Don't do any of that. Literally just worry about getting it to 3,500 or 4,000 and I'll slip the clutch. All right, full throttle.
She hit second. Asa, she hit second.
Shift.
I don't like
That
it.
wasn't too bad. Your
I don't
launch
like
wasn't
it.
terrible.
I don't like
Your launch wasn't bad at all, actually.
That was fun. I had fun.
High five. That was
Yeah.
good. That was actually really good for your first time.
Hell yeah.
You didn't panic like I thought you were. I thought you were gonna panic and dump it and then it was just gonna bog, but you did pretty good. Look at that. A 20.9,
Wow.
a 2.9 60 foot, and a 13.18. Hell yeah.
Hey, Jess, that wasn't a bad launch. That wasn't a bad run. You didn't miss a gear. Okay, so Gorbachev is taking the race car. He's gonna feel what a real race car is like.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am in the Po-mobile right now. Holy crap, this thing is ratchet. There is no interior in this thing anywhere. All right, guys, so I've got to beat a 16.2. All right, here we go. The Po-mobile, let's see what we can do.
Nice dump, dog.
Yeah, I beat Gavin.
Oh my God. What the fuck is going on with second gear? Bo, what the fuck was that? There's a second gear in here? Are you sure? Do y'all hear that? Did I break this thing? That was really the worst pass that I've ever made in my life. That's not even an exaggeration. Holy shit. I don't even need a slip on that.
What'd you do?
I couldn't get it in a second. Literally with both hands like I stopped, I let the clutch out neutral, put it back, and it was like, it would not go. So I had to put it in third and just coast down the track.
That bitch gets into second. All right. Hey, are you going?
Yeah, I ran the slowest time. Jess didn't even have to buy Eskimos. So we were all laughing, like, Jess is gonna have to buy Eskimos.
I told you this wasn't over.
21-4.
All right, here we go. See if I can beat all these guys at their own game.
Hey, he found it at least. Let's go. That was a good launch, so I don't know.
What was that? He money shifted.
Did he really?
He money shifted.
Dude, that bitch just went into first. I'm sorry, Poe. It's still running though.
It was like,
He like locked it.
yeah.
He went first, and then second, money shifted back to first.
Back to first.
Dude, it went into third and then it popped out and I tried to put it back into third and it went into first.
I couldn't even reach the shifter, honestly. I literally had to like sit like on the passenger seat.
I'm lucky I got long arms.
It almost wants to lock you out of third.
Oh, it's not easy to shift.
It locked me out and then I got into third and it popped out and that's when I went into first.
All right, Austin, let's see it.
Watch Austin just run a 1588.
For real. Hey, he got it! He got it! No fucking way, he got it! $18.4. Oh my gosh, I was scared for a second. I was scared on that one. Austin, props to you, dog. You found second. Gavin and Harry both didn't find second. Asa didn't. It's a hard car. Props to you, Austin. That was sweet.
I still got second.
That's for sure. How'd it go?
I like hit first, hit second. I hit third.
Oh, you hit
but
the
I
shit out
didn't
of
know that I
second.
hit third. Like I couldn't tell if I was in third, so I pulled out and I went to go back in and something grind. I was like, oh.
No, you tried to go into fifth because fifth grinds.
At least I didn't go into first.
Yeah. I'm about to run my last pass. I'm cutting the light this time.
No, you ain't.
Yes, I am.
You want to bet that $60 on who's got a better reaction?
No. I missed third. I cut the light, but I missed third. Where's my gas pedal? I broke my gas pedal. What the heck? My gas pedal is freaking on the bottom of my floor. I don't know what the heck's going on. I broke the car. I guess technically I win in the end. I got 60 bucks and I also got enough money to fix this gas pedal because I broke it. Hey, everyone come here. Everyone come here. Come here.
What the hell's that?
That's my gas pedal. It fell off. He broke the gas. My gas pedal fell off.
What?
You're what?
That's why I missed third. I went to reach for the gas and it wasn't there.
Way. He broke his gas pedal off. And he broke it off.
He broke his gas pedal
I
off.
was shifting in the third and I was like, whoa! That's how hard you have to shift this car. All right, guys, so our little battle was great. I ended up winning. I mean, it's my car, so I guess I can take that. But this opens up the door for anyone else. Say if Gavin wants to get a beater and do the same thing, everyone's gonna do the same thing, put $10 on the line. This is just starting a trend that we're gonna keep on doing for a long time. I'm pretty daggum happy. I'm getting free ice cream. It was a blast with everyone. It was fun having other people drive your car because everyone tells you how to drive your own car until they drive it. But either way, guys, thank you very much for watching. There's gonna be more of this in the future, so subscribe if you haven't. This is Mello. Follow Mello up here. Follow Zorby, he's up here too. Follow Po Boys, he's up here too. Now, why don't you just go ahead and remember to send it.
That was like the worst pass that I've ever made in any car in my entire life, and it was in that car, so.
It wasn't as bad as mine. Bro, it was 1, 2, 3, popped out first. I was like, oh shit.
This is literally the slowest pass I've made my entire life.
I made my fastest and my slowest pass tonight.
It's definitely the most interesting car that I've driven so far. Oh, that was not the